Katika bunge la taifa ambapo kamati ya sheria ya bunge ambayo ni kamati ya pamoja Senate na bunge la taifa JLAC inawasilisha ripoti yake kuhusiana na mswada wa BBI kwa spika wa bunge la taifa kuweza kufahamu mengi zaidi, na vile ripoti hiyo itakuwa inajadiliwa katika bunge la Senate na bunge la taifa hapo baadaye baada ya maspika kupokea ripoti hiyo. Zoezi ambalo linaendelea sasa katika bunge, tunayoona pale ni spika wa bunge la Senate Bwana Kenneth Lusaka, na kupeleka kule moja kwa moja na tuzidi kuwasikiza.
Speaker, you can say something.
Okay, the problem with the masks is you don't know whether I'm happy or I'm sad. But I think this is to confirm, to thank the members of the legal committee for working so hard to give us this report, which I confirm I have received. And I'm going to consult with my colleague in the National Assembly so that we synchronize on when we can have sittings for the report to be tabled and discussed in both houses. Remember, we are on a recess until 11th of next month when we resume, but I'll be consulting with the leaders of majority and minority to see if a special sitting will be necessary for us to look at the report. If not, then we'll table it and discuss it when Senate resumes on 11th of next month. I don't know whether there are any questions, either to myself or the chair. Yeah, I can't confirm whether there's a special sitting because, a special sitting must be initiated by the leader of majority and with the concurrence of members of the Senate. 15 members of the Senate. So for now, I can't confirm. But what I'm sure about is that we shall resume on 11th of next month.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I now go with the report.
They would like to some takeaways, some cutaways.
Oh.
We can remove these.
Oh.
We remove the mics. So it's okay. Shika. Cutaways kidogo. Yeah, so just move here, probably. You can remove a mask kidogo briefly.
For 1 minute?
Yeah, for 1 minute. Just for the, yeah.